Here we are going to describe the nature of the light as well as the quantum physics. In 1618, the father of the classical physics, Sir Isaac Newton, explained the reflection and refraction phenomena, assuming that light is of particle nature. In 1685, Huygens explains both reflection and refraction phenomena by assuming light be of wave nature, by assuming that ether, a particle which exists everywhere, which has high elasticity and high density. Nearly to 17th century, the diffraction phenomena also discovered. In 1801, interference phenomena was experimentally discovered, experimentally proved by the scientist Young, and in 19th century, nearly polarization also discovered. Diffraction, interference phenomena, and the polarization this proved that light be of nature. In 19th century, Max Planck gives the quantum theory. According to this, light is a band of energy which is called a quanta. That is, light energy is a discrete form, not a continuous, which said by the classical physics. In 1905, Einstein said light have both nature, the particle nature as well as the wave nature. Einstein gives the phenomena explanation of the photoelectric effect and clearly quoted that classical physics failed to explain it because of it cannot explain the crystal frequency, the time interval between emitted and absorbed the radiation, and many of aspects. Often discovered the Compton effect by the Compton in 1928. They Broglie, using the relativistic phenomena and quantum theory, both in same equation, that light is equal to Watney and E is equal to mc square. And using both equations, De Broglie gives the phenomena, gives the equation lambda is equal to h upon p, where h is the Planck constant, p is the momentum, lambda is called the De Broglie wavelength, and this is clearly mathematical proved that the momentum quantization of the energy, quantization of momentum. Now, the quantization of angular momentum will be firstly explained by the Bohr atom model, which is called also with the Bohr child model, which is because Bohr gives this model by seeing the children child play in the playground. The radiation, according to this Bohr's atom model, electrons move in circular orbit around the nucleus of atoms, around the nucleus in atoms, and the it is corrected by the Sommerfeld model. He says the electrons are revolved in the ellipse, and also on many of theories. The emitted radiation, when the electrons jump from the higher state to the lower state, was explained by the many of the scientists, like firstly the Balmer negative field, Lyman, Pond, and many scientists. Here we are going to describe the nature of the light as well as the quantum physics. In 1618, the father of the classical physics, Sir Isaac Newton, explained the reflection and refraction phenomena, assuming that light is of particle nature. In 1685, Huygens explains both reflection and refraction phenomena by assuming light be of wave nature, by assuming that ether, a particle which exists everywhere, which has elasticity